Are you tired, Alice? Are you hiding? Don't you want to say hi to Auntie Mel today? Don't you want to say hi to Auntie Mel? Hi. Say hi. Are you going to smile? You're going to front. Oh, they have to come out too, don't they? Are you pleased with yourself? Was that a good one? Was that a good trumpet? You might as well fill the nappy. Make it value for money.